You are so sleepy now, huh? Yeah.
Oh, that was good. Good girl.
Good boy, Rocky. Yeah, you watching your sister? But you're happy it's not you. Oh, big yawn. There we go. Ooh. What a face that was, buddy. Here, you want a mint? Hang on. Hang on. Here you go. Mr. Spoiled over here. Boy. I know. Hey! That's not nice, Rock. That's not cool.